Welcome back, traders. In this video we're going to be doing gold forecast, what is probably going to happen on gold next week, and then I'm going to be giving you the entry, then the stop loss, and also the take profit. But before you go into the video right now, you can see this particular setup here. So these are 1:32. I know that a lot of traders are going to miss this particular trade, so I'm going to be doing how I was able to see this setup, even though it's here to get towards my take profit, so you can learn from it, and then you can know how to enter into the trade next time if you see a setup like this. So I'm going to show you how I was able to see this setup. Then after this setup, then we go to the forecast, what's probably going to happen next week, and then I'm going to give you the entry, stop loss, and also take profit. We are going to be doing it together. So let's just go into the video right now. So let me delete this particular entry. Oh no, let me return it back. So let me just make use of another broker. I don't want to delete this particular entry. So these are under. So let me make use of another broker. Okay, so we have Wanda. Let's use Forex.com. So this is Forex.com right here. So I was able to see that particular entry. So right now these are 4 hour time frame. The first thing you have to do is for you to get your buyers, and then how to get your buyers, you need to go to higher time frame. From higher time frame, you analyze from higher time frame, then you set what's your entry using lower time frame, then you set what's to take profit using what's higher time frame. So right now these are 4 hour time frame. I started my analysis from daily time frame, so let's check daily time frame. So on daily time frame right now, you can see we have this particular order block here. We have this particular demand zone. So this is the demand zone. A lot of traders are going to make use of this particular demand zone, and then price is going to try to stop them out. The reason why price is going to stop them out just because this particular moment end up breaking only one high. So can you see the high here? So price end up breaking only one high. So this order block is not what a real order block. We are going to make use of the order block below it. So let me delete this. And then if you check this particular area, this is where the order block is. So there is the order block below it. So price probably going to tap this particular low out. But this particular order block is a very big order block, so I can't enter into a trade using this particular order block. So I have to go down to lower time frame to reduce my order block so I can get a very huge ratio. So these are daily time frames. So from daily time frame, I went down to 4 hour time frame. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, I have to analyze the market again, so to know where there is a strong order block. So let me delete this liquidity line. So on 4 hour time frame, you can see this particular moment, we have one order block here, and then we have another order block here. So you have to find out if this particular order block is a real order block, or this one below here. So right here you can see from this particular low to this particular high. Let's check how many high this particular moment end up breaking. Okay, we have a lot of high here. So this is the first high, then this is the second high here, and then we have the third high. Okay, we have another one here too. So let's just check if price end up breaking any of these two high, the make use of that particular order block. So right here price end up breaking only one high, and then this is one of the mistakes that a lot of traders are doing. They will count this one also as what high. Even though you are trading my strategy, this is not what a high, this is what under range. So you are not meant to use high under range, you are only meant to use high that is not in the same range. What I mean by under range, from this particular high, so this particular low, this is the last low before price started going on a bullish direction. So this moment right here is what bearish range, and then from this last low upward is what a bullish range. From this low right here upward, so we have a bullish range. So price out to break bearish range before you can consider it as a real break or structure. The price end up breaking too high, but if price end up breaking its own high, it's not calculated, so don't make use of that, and then don't make that particular mistake. So let me delete this, and then let me delete this also. So right here price end up breaking only one high. That means this particular order block here is not a real order block. Then price going to respect the order block below it. So let me delete this high also. Then you can reduce our order block to the order block below it here. Can you see it? So price going to go below this particular low to take it out as a liquidity, and then price going to respect the order block below it. So we are on 4 hour time frame. Let me delete all this line. Okay. So right now you are going to go down to the next time frame, which is 3 hour time frame. So let's go down to 3 hour time frame. So on 3 hour time frame, you also to analyze the market again to know where there's a real order block and then the other block that is not real. So if you share this particular moment, you have what, a bearish range here. So this is a bearish range for this time frame, and then this is another bullish range. So we have a bullish range here. So in between this particular candle, so right here we have what, all these sides. So this eye is under what, a bearish range. This side is under a bearish range, and also this side you are seeing here is under what, a bearish range, because this is the last low. This is the last low here. Sorry. So this is the last low. You can see that this low went down below this particular low. Can you see it? This low went down below this particular low. So this is the last low here. So it's from this particular area that price change direction has started going on a bullish direction, and then it's still the same candle that end up forming what, high. So this high and then this low. It may look funny, but that is just it. And then I think it's probably news that's going to cause something like this. Let me just check it out. Events, only future trade. Okay, this is the news right here. Can you see? This is the news. It's news that caused this particular moment. So price end up creating the high and also the low using one particular candle on 3-hour time frame. So right here, this is the high and then this is the low. So let me delete this, and then let me shade this particular high. Let me delete this low, sorry. And then let me shade this particular high here. Can you see this particular moment? What end up breaking it is this particular order block here. Can you see the other block that broke this particular high? So this is the other block that is responsible for this break. This is the other block here. So this other block end up breaking only this particular high, but you not break the next high. So this is the next high here. This is the other block that is responsible for the next high. Can you see it look like a doji candle, but it's one responsible for this particular break. So you're not going to like to make use of this particular order block because it end up breaking only one high, and then this is the high here. So this is the high. So you're going to like to make use of the order block below it because price is going to take this one as what, a liquidity. So you're going to reduce what, our entry below this particular area. Then let me delete this and also delete this. So you're on 3-hour time frame right now. So let's just go down to the next time frame, which is 2-hour time frame. So right here, this is 2-hour time frame. So you're going to try to look for what, a real order block. So let's check the market. It's still the same thing. Price end up breaking this high. This other block is now strong. So the next one. So it's still the same thing. Let's just move down to like 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame, you also like to study the market again. So a 1-hour time frame right now, can you see it from this particular order block here, this low to this particular high? Price not break anything. From this low right here to this particular high, price not break anything. So price probably going to go below this particular low here to take it as a liquidity. So price going to go below this particular low because this moment not break anything. And then we are going to like to make use of this particular order block here. So you're going to find that order block inside this particular area. So these are on 1-hour time frame. Let's just move down to like 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame, you also like to reanalyze the market again. So on 30 minutes time frame, so this is the moment that I said did not break anything. So it still remains the same. Let's just go down to 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame right now, it's still the same order block here. You can see this particular high. So this is the only high that price end up breaking. And then after breaking this particular high, this other block is not a real order block. The price gets to take the low as what, a liquidity, and then tap into this particular area before going on a bullish direction. So I'm supposed to go down to like 5 minutes time frame and also 3 minutes time frame, just like to give exact entry. So I'm supposed to go down to like the next time frame, which is 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, and 2 minutes time frame. But I'm going to be leaving that for my students, so you also can join my mentorship for you to understand all this stuff. And then I'm giving this one out for free. This video actually I'm doing right now is a premium video, but I'm just doing it out for free so you can understand my trading strategy very well. So let's just see price tap into the order block. Can you see price tap into this particular order block? And then if you also like to use this particular entry, let me delete this liquidity line. And then if you also like to use this particular entry, it sets what's your entry here, and also set what your stop loss below it. It sets what your stop loss below this particular area, and also set what your take profit. If you want to set your take profit, you go back to like daily time frame, because it started analyzing from daily time frame. So on daily time frame right now, if you have to like to set what your take profit, our take profit is supposed to be in this particular high. in this particular high right here, but I'm setting it here. So the reason why I'm setting what my take profit here, just because this is the nearest liquidity. The reason why I'm setting my take profit here is just because we have a lot of liquidity resting below this particular area. So price can take out this particular high and then start coming all the way down to take out all this liquidity. So you can see all the liquidity here. So price can just tap out this particular high and then to come all the way down to take out all this liquidity. So that is the reason why I'm setting what my take profit here. And that end up giving like a 1 ratio 32 just because I make use of 3 minutes time frame. So right now you can see this 1 ratio 10 right here. So you also can know how to increase your risk to reward ratio up to like 1 ratio 30, 1 ratio 20 and so on. The first chart I'll show you on gold, let me show you that. The first chart I'll show you right here on gold using Oanda. Okay, can you see this 1 ratio 32 just because I make use of what 3 minutes order block. So the other block I make use of in this video is just on 15 minutes time frame. So you also can know how to increase what your risk to reward ratio by going down to lower time frame. And then for you to get more insights about this, you can join my mentorship program. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description, so make sure you join my mentorships for you to get more insights about how to increase your risk to reward ratio and then how to know the real order block to use in the market and so on. You're going to learn a lot of things from my mentorship. Right now you can see if you risk 1% of your account to enter into this trade, you're going to make 10% of your account in just this single moment. And then if you're risking 1% for my other chart that I show you, which is a 1 ratio 32, you're going to make 32% in one single trade. So imagine you risking 5% of your account to enter into that particular trade. That means you're going to make more than 1 ratio 50 in a single movement. And then right here you can see this 1 ratio 10. So it's very easy for you to increase what your risk to reward ratio. But you just need to get more insight about this, because all these things look very simple, but there are more to this. There are more to this, guy. It's look very simple going down to lower time frames to find a perfect order block. It's look very simple, but there are more to it. And then you need to get more insight so you can be perfect trading my strategy. So let's just go to the forecast. What I'm expecting price to do probably on next week, and then I'm going to give you the entry and also the stop loss and then the take profit. So let's just go into the video right now. So this is a daily time frame. We all know that price is going on a bullish direction. So let me just move this right here. So if you miss this particular entry, so watch this video so you miss the next entry. So this is daily time frame. So let's just go down to like 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame right here, let me move this one very well. Okay, so on 4-hour time frame right here, you can see we have what a liquidity here. Can you see we have this particular low? A lot of traders are going to use this particular low here as what a demand zone. The price probably going to respect this particular demand zone and start going on a bullish direction. But price won't respect it because this is what a liquidity. So I'm expecting price to come all the way down below this particular low here to tap into this particular order block before going on a bullish direction. So price probably going to tap into this particular order block before going on a bullish direction, and then take out people that are buying using demand zone. People that are setting a buy position using a demand zone here is going to take them out and then tap into this particular order block below here and then start going on a bullish direction. Let me just delete this. So right now on a 4-hour time frame, the order block is very big. So let's just go down to lower time frame to increase what our risk to reward ratio. Because if you have to use this particular order block, let's check the risk to reward ratio. You set what your stop loss below here, and then if you set what your take profit here. So this 1 ratio 5, guys. But I'm a kind of trader that before I can enter into a trade, the trade have to give me like a 1 ratio 10. So I can't enter into a trade if it's not giving me like a 1 ratio 10. So this is 1 ratio 5. So let's just increase our risk to reward ratio. So let's just go down to lower time frame. These are 4-hour time frame. Let's go down to 3-hour time frame. So on 3-hour time frame right here, can you see we have what high here? So this is, we have only one high here on the bearish range. So price is going on a bullish direction, and the price out to break what a bearish range. From this particular high downward is what a bearish range. From this particular low upward is what a bullish range. So price end up breaking this particular high, making this particular order block not a real order block because it end up breaking only one high. So price is probably going to respect the order block below it. Let me delete this liquidity line. So price probably going to respect this particular order block, or it's still the same order block as 4-hour time frame order block. Okay, let me just reduce it a little bit. Okay, so because we are going to calculate this particular wick to this particular order block, and then some traders are only making use of the body of the candle. No, the wick of a candle is also part of the candle, so always add the wick of a candle to it. So don't just make use of the body, always add the wick also to it. So right now you're expecting price to come all the way down to this particular order block. So let's just go down to like on 2 hour time frame to increase our risk to reward ratio. So on 2 hour time frame is still the same order block. Okay, it's still the same order block. Let's check our 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame right here, price end up breaking a lot of high, so telling us that this particular order block here is what a real order block. So price end up breaking this particular high here. So this is the first high, and then this is the second high. So price end up breaking these two high, making this particular order block here a real order block. Delete this. So we are 1 hour time frame. Let's check 30 minutes time frame to reduce what our order block. So on 30 minutes time frame is still the same order block. Okay, let me delete this and then delete this. So it's still the same order block. Let's check 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame right now, we are able to reduce what this particular order block here. Can you see the order block? You can see price end up breaking all these high, the first high, the second high, then okay, it's only broke two high, this one, and then this one then. So let's go to the next lower time frame to increase what our risk to reward ratio. So this 15 minutes time frame. Let's check 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame right now, can you see we have what a perfect order block here. So this is the order block I'm expecting price to come all the way to tap into. Then let's check the next time frame, which is 3 minutes time frame. Oh, sorry guys, I'm supposed to end this going down to lower time frame on 15 minutes time frame, but I've already given you guys on 5 minutes time frame, so I'm going to stop here. So you're going to like to make use of this particular 5 minutes order block to enter into the trade. Let's check how many ratio is going to give us if you have to set what our entry here. The reason why I stop at 5 minutes just because the remaining part is for my students, so you also can join the mentorship so you can understand all these things very well. And then let's just check the ratio. I think it should be more than 1:10 now. You set what our take profit here. Okay, so it's already 1:14. So this one is okay guys. So this one is okay. For you to get more insights, you can join my mentorship. I will encourage everyone to join it. So this is where I'm expecting price to come all the way into, and then before going on a bullish direction. And also if you enter into this particular trade, you are going to make what 1:14. So if you risk 1% of your account, you're going to make 40% in this particular moment. And also if you are risking like 2%, 3% or 4%, but always make sure you calculate your risk. Don't over leverage, don't over risk, because I'm giving out this signal for free. So don't over leverage. So if you find this video interesting, I would appreciate you to like this video and then to subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel. So see you in my next video. And also don't forget, I'm going to be dropping the link to my mentorship in the description, so make sure you join right now for you to get more insights about all this strategy. So don't forget to like this video and then to subscribe if you are new. See you in my next video.